Welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with the network location can't be reached error, 0x800704cf on your Windows PC, don't worry, you're not alone. This error usually occurs when your network configuration is incorrect. Your drivers are outdated or certain settings interfere with your connection. But the good news is we've got several effective fixes to help you resolve this issue quickly. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Reset TCP/IP settings. A corrupted TCP/IP configuration can often be the root cause of network errors. Resetting these settings can restore your connection. Open Command Prompt as administrator by pressing Windows+X and selecting Command Prompt Admin. Then type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. ipconfig/flushdns nbtstat -r netch winsock reset netch in IP reset. Once you've entered these commands, restart your PC and check if the network error is gone. Solution 2. Run Windows Network. Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in network troubleshooter that can automatically detect and resolve network-related issues. Go to Settings, then System, and then click Network Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions, and Windows will attempt to fix any detected problems. This method is simple but can be highly effective. Solution 3. Update your network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can prevent your system from connecting to a network. To update them, press Windows+X and select Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Right-click on your active network adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will check for the latest updates. If no update is found, consider downloading the latest driver from your manufacturer's website and installing it manually. Solution 4. Reinstall network adapters. If updating the drivers doesn't work, reinstalling them can be a more effective solution. Open Device Manager and locate the Network Adapters section. Right-click each adapter and select Uninstall Device. Confirm any prompts, then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary network drivers, which should help resolve the issue. Solution 5. Disable third-party VPNs and security software. Sometimes third-party security software or VPNs can interfere with your network settings and trigger the 0x800704cf error. If you're using any antivirus, firewall, or VPN, try temporarily disabling them and see if the issue persists. If disabling them fixes the problem, consider adjusting their settings or switching to alternative software. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.